Tired of battling garden pests with harsh chemicals? Discover how integrated pest management (IPM) can transform your garden into a vibrant, healthy ecosystem, naturally. IPM is a smart, holistic approach to garden health, minimizing chemical use. It's about understanding your garden's ecosystem and working with nature. Instead of reacting to problems, IPM focuses on prevention and early intervention. It combines various tactics: cultural, mechanical, biological, and targeted organic treatments. This integrated strategy keeps pests and diseases below damaging levels. You'll learn to recognize beneficial insects and maintain overall plant resilience. One of the best defenses is inviting beneficial insects into your garden. Ladybugs, lacewings, and parasitic wasps feast on common pests like aphids and caterpillars. Provide them with the right habitat to thrive. Plant diverse flowers that bloom throughout the season, offering nectar and pollen. Alyssum, dill, and calendula are excellent choices. A small patch of unmown grass or a log pile also provides crucial nesting spots. Trap cropping involves planting specific sacrificial plants that pests prefer over your main crops. Nasturtiums can lure aphids away from lettuce, while mustard attracts flea beetles. Position these on the outer edges of your beds. Once trap plants are heavily infested, you can remove and destroy them, or apply a gentle spray just to that area. This concentrates pests and reduces the need for widespread treatment. Choosing disease-resistant plant varieties is a long-term investment in a low-maintenance garden. Many seed catalogs indicate resistance to common issues like powdery mildew or blights. These varieties can tolerate infections, reducing your workload. When pests do appear, homemade botanical sprays offer effective, eco-friendly solutions. Garlic and chili pepper sprays contain natural compounds that repel and irritate insects. Blend garlic and hot peppers with water, then strain. Add a drop of mild liquid soap to help the spray adhere to leaves. Apply late in the day to avoid leaf burn. This simple concoction can deter many common garden invaders. Neem oil, derived from the neem tree, is another powerful natural option. It disrupts insect hormones, preventing larvae from maturing. Mix 1 to 2 teaspoons of cold-pressed neem oil with a quart of water and a drop of soap. Spray thoroughly on all plant surfaces, including undersides of leaves. Apply in the late afternoon or early morning as neem breaks down in sunlight. Repeat every 7 to 10 days if needed for ongoing control. Yellow sticky traps are simple, non-toxic tools for flying pests, like whiteflies and fungus gnats. They are attracted to the color and get stuck. Hang them at plant canopy height and check them weekly. Sticky traps also serve as excellent monitoring tools, helping you identify which pests are most prevalent. This information guides your other IPM tactics, allowing for targeted interventions. Floating row covers are lightweight fabrics that physically block insects from reaching your plants. They protect against cabbage moths and carrot flies. Remember to remove them for pollination of flowering crops. Healthy soil is your garden's first line of defense. Rich, well-drained soil with plenty of organic matter produces vigorous plants naturally resistant to pests and diseases. Avoid over-fertilizing with nitrogen, which can attract aphids. Crop rotation disrupts pest life cycles and prevents soil-borne diseases from building up. Don't plant the same crop in the same spot year after year. Companion planting also helps, with certain plants deterring pests or attracting beneficials. Sanitation is crucial at season's end. Remove old plant debris, which can harbor overwintering eggs and spores. Clean tools and stakes to prevent disease spread. Starting with a clean slate reduces initial pest and disease pressure. Regular scouting is the heartbeat of IPM. Walk your garden at least once a week, observing plants for any signs of pests or disease. Early detection allows for small, targeted interventions before problems escalate. Keep a simple garden journal to track pest levels, weather, and actions taken. This data helps you understand patterns and anticipate issues. Knowing when to act is key to effective IPM. Timing treatments for maximum effect is vital. Sprays are most effective on young pests. Apply them during cooler parts of the day to protect beneficial insects and prevent plant stress. Understanding pest life cycles helps you intervene at the most vulnerable stage. Managing pests and diseases without chemicals is achievable and incredibly rewarding. Integrated pest management weaves together cultural practices, physical barriers, botanical sprays, and beneficial organisms to create a balanced, resilient garden ecosystem. Start small, observe often, and celebrate every step towards a healthier, more vibrant garden. Your plants and the planet will thank you. Ready to transform your garden? Subscribe to our channel for more natural gardening tips. Share this video with fellow gardeners and tell us your favorite IPM strategy in the comments below.